Hey, what's up? To trim your video from the beginning, for example, just hover over the beginning of your video clip and you will see these two brackets. Now just hold it and move it and it will trim. If you position your playhead somewhere over here, it will snap to it. If you don't, you can just, trim however you want. Okay, if you hover over the beginning or the end, is the same. You will see this single bracket, and apparently it does nothing until you are in this trim edit mode. So if you're in a trim edit mode and select this with a single bracket and move it, it will trim your video in a ripple delete fashion. Okay, you want to cut out the middle part, just move your playhead, click this blade edit mode and just, cut it here. Cut it here. Now let's say you want to delete the middle part, just select it and hit delete on your keyboard. And this is how you delete and cut and trim. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, let me know in the comments below. Have a nice day. Bye bye.